Hello, hello. Check 1, 2. Test.
Oh yeah, what's going on, beautiful people?
Hey everyone!
Hello.
Hey everyone.
Hello,
it's Two-Tone Murphy.
Hey friends, Rob here, host of Twitch TV's Slant Alpha Adventures.
It's your boy, Blue Games.
It's Mustafa. Oh, and Gormfield.
It's Factual Gull and Co-Pilot Winglet.
this is XP72.
It's Rocco, Captain Rock Savage.
Hello, it's Nick FlightX.
Hello, it's Air Force Proud 95.
Hello, it's Cross Hyperu.
This is Chickmangler from SimWorld Pro, formerly called SM Flight Pro, and this is going to be my third time visiting a FlightSimExpo.
This will be my fourth time attending FlightSimExpo.
This will be my fifth time at FlightSimExpo.
This will be my 6th time attending FlightSimExpo.
This is going to be my first time attending a FlightSimExpo.
Now I can't believe I'm saying this, but this is my 5th FlightSimExpo.
This will be my third time attending FlightSimExpo.
I'm lucky enough to have attended all 5 Expo events so far, so Providence will make number 6 for me.
This is going to be my 6th time to FS Expo, and I am super excited.
This will be my 5th year attending FlightSimExpo. You should come to FlightSimExpo because
You should come to FlightSimExpo because
You should come to FlightSimExpo because it's a chance to see what's new and who's who in flight simulation.
You should come to FlightSimExpo because it's the best spot to get behind-the-scenes access to all the newest developments in flight sim.
And the reason why you need to be at FlightSimExpo this year is because this is the only place that you can find all of the top, the latest, the greatest, buy the best hardware, flight sim hardware in one place. Nowhere else does it like FlightSimExpo.
And on top of that, walking into a room filled with a couple of thousand people who are all passionate about many of the same things that you're passionate about, that's just an amazing friend-making opportunity, even for the most socially awkward among us.
it's one of the few places on Earth you will get to meet fellow streamers and have great conversations with them.
Because you can get to try out many things, meet and greet folks who share the same passion. I got to try out all these beautiful peripherals and actually buy them.
I have another reason why you should come to FlightSimExpo.
because all of your favorite creators and developers will be there, and we're really excited to meet you.
Because it's like a big family reunion.
Because it's local to where I live, Providence, Rhode Island, great place to be, and also this is going to be the hottest place for flight sim action.
Yeah, why you should visit FS Expo as well.
You should come along to FlightSimExpo because it's a great opportunity to meet other members of the community and to learn what all the developers are going to bring us.
The FS Expo is a beautiful place to meet all the developers, all the guys behind the scenes of the flight sim community and behind the scenes of all the stuff we love.
Because first of all, there are going to be so many fellow enthusiasts there who all share the same hobby as you, and you can just make new connections, new friends to enjoy the hobby with.
Hello beautiful people, my name is Julius. I am from Cruise Level. Write it down, Cruise Level. The best website in the world, apart from FlightSimExpo of course. You should come to FlightSimExpo because you're going to meet a lot of friends, including me. And a lot of guys from all around the world who are simply interested in one thing, which is getting together and celebrating the best thing in the world, which is flight simulation.
So, the 27th to the 29th of June, FS Expo in Rhode Island. Be there, please. We're looking forward to seeing you there.
You need to be at FlightSimExpo because of the community. I say this every single year. This is the best place to meet other people who also share your passion, and that is flight sim and aviation. You can literally look at the person next to you, boy or girl, and be like, hey, what's your favorite plane? What's your favorite flight sim? And spark up a conversation to create a new friend, a new ally for basically the rest of your life. And that is exactly what happened to me. True story.
It's a chance to get in front of developers, meet other members of the community. It's just a great place to hang out with fellow flight sim enthusiasts.
Went to my very first one, and I have been hooked ever since.
Now.
And now. Oh yeah, let's see who is exhibiting at this year's show.
Let's see who's going to be exhibiting at this year's FS Expo.
Who's going to be attending FlightSimExpo this year in Rhode Island? Let's find out.
Let's see who's exhibiting at this year's show.
And see you there.
Take me home, take me on a ride. I got a good feeling about the colors lighting up your eyes. Take me home, take me to the sky. I got a good feeling. Tell me the only thing you are is mine. I got a good feeling. I got a good feeling. Good feeling. You wanna know is how to hold on to it every moment. Dive into it like my love is an ocean. It's overflowing. I swear it's golden. So good that I'm rolling. Baby, you make me crazy. I'm seeing roses. Baby, just maybe you save me. Oh, take me home, take me on a ride. I got a good feeling about the colors lighting up your eyes. Take me home, take me to the sky. I got a good feeling. Tell me the only thing you are is mine. Take me home, take me on a ride. I got a good feeling about the colors lighting up your eyes. Take me home, take me to the sky. I got a good feeling. Tell me the only thing you are is mine now. I got a good feeling. I got a good feeling. Good feeling. I got a good feeling. I got a good feeling. Good feeling. You wanna do is move with me. I'm seeing blue, yeah. In a disco-colored room, hearts are blooming. It's so consuming. Love what you're doing, so good that I'm doomed, yeah. Baby, you make me crazy. I'm seeing roses. Baby, just maybe you save me. Oh, take me home, take me on a ride. I got a good feeling about the colors lighting up your eyes. Take me home, take me to the sky. I got a good feeling. Tell me the only thing you are is mine now. I got a good feeling. I got a good feeling. Good feeling. I got a good feeling. Good feeling.
We wanted to build something that felt real.
Ground to flight deck. All right, release the parking brake now. We're going to start pushback, facing west.
Chasing you. Chasing you. Chasing you. Chasing you. Chasing you. Chasing you. To fall in love is easy, but that really doesn't matter, baby. No, the challenge is to keep the love and make it last forever, maybe. Should have known right from the start. I'll keep chasing you until you melt my heart. 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 I like you like my favorite ice cream. Favorite ice cream. Favorite ice cream. Such a shame that you're playing just a game. Playing just a game. Playing just a game. I keep chasing you. just a game, playing just a game, playing just a game.